Hello everyone, welcome to the second video. This is about psychodynamic therapy. So what is psychodynamic therapy? So psychodynamic therapy is looking at how the past impacts on the present. I think most people have heard of Freud or Jung, when we look at unconscious processes. So sometimes we may be suffering from depression or low mood or anxiety and not really understand where it's coming from. So what psychodynamic therapy can really help you with is understanding how your early relationships impact on your current relationships. You may find that you've got repeating patterns in your life whereby relationships end suddenly, or you find yourself in a relationship that with somebody with similar patterns to other relationships if you've experienced. So psychodynamic therapy will look at your early relationships, how they were formed, and the impact of those things that had on you. The other thing that psychodynamic therapy does is work with the relationship in the room, and this is called transference. So some of the experiences that you might have had in your early relationships might manifest themselves in the relationship with your therapist, and a psychodynamic therapist will look at those unconscious processes and help you to repair some of those relational patterns and help you to move forward. So psychodynamic therapy is really good for helping people with trauma or people with anxiety or low mood, but it's also really, really good for personal development. So if you are finding difficulty in your working life or you're having difficulties working in groups, what psychodynamic therapy can help you with is understanding those relational patterns and your unconscious processes, because they come live in the room, and that's the job of the therapist, to make sense of that with you. I hope that helps.